graphics and video in the terminal. It's easy. Keep on watching.
CBSD reviews, tutorials and gaming.
The program we'll be using is called HipText. And what that enables you to do is to put a picture or a movie and display it in the terminal. We're going to do a little test using Spectrum. It'll show you all available colors. Very good. And then we'll go on to actually load up a file. Here's a list of the files in the folder I'll be using. I'll do the first one, which is Belle. And I'll show you the original as well, alongside the rendition. So there's the original, and that's what it renders as. Then we'll do another one. And we'll use this as a USB stick. And there's the original. It's not too bad. And another one. Obviously a FreeBSD icon is next. There you go. Looks like something out of Dune. Huh. And a familiar logo will be coming up next. There you go. There's the original. And lastly, but not least, is Big Buck Bunny demo. It runs a bit quick, a little bit too fast, but you get the gist. So yeah, that's just a little bit of fun. I was just looking through the repositories the other day, and I thought, oh, that's a nice little bit of a diversion. So yes, that's it. Thank you for watching. And if anyone finds a use for this program, let me know in the comments down below. I'll catch you next time.